Hello friends, today in this video we learn how to deploy ASP.NET Core application in Microsoft Azure Cloud. In this video we create app service in Azure, then we create ASP.NET Core sample application, and then we see how to deploy it directly from the Microsoft Visual Studio, and we also learn how to use FTP to upload files. So let's first create app service in Azure. To create app service, let's open portal.azure.com. We need to log into our Microsoft account. So let's log in. Okay, so we are logged in. Now in the left side, click on app services to create app service to deploy ASP.NET Core application. After that, click on add to create app service. So when you click on add, you need to select the subscription. So I have a pay as you go. Then we need to create a resource group. So let's create a new resource group, demo. Then the application name, demo app deploy, demo app deploy tutorial. Here publish is the code. Then we need to select the runtime. So let's select .NET Core 3.1 operating system Windows. You can select the region. So let's change it to East US or West India. Then we need to select the app service plan. So app service plan is basically associated with the cost of the hosting. So here it is by default selected standard S1. So let's change this. There are a lot of plans available. Here you can see a shared infrastructure. It's a free plan, 60 minutes per day compute. Then another is D1. It costs 839.55 INR per month. So you can select as per your budget. So here the basic thing is in a free plan you cannot add custom domain. You need to select D1 plan to add the custom domain here. If you want to add SSL, then you need to buy B1 plan. It is more costly. So let's start with the free one here. Apply, then review and create. Okay, it is giving some error. Let's change our region. So okay, F1, apply, review and create. Okay, create. So it will create app service for Windows .NET Core 3.1. Now let's just create a web application in .NET Core 3.1, and then I will show you how to deploy it directly from the Visual Studio 2019. So you can see that our app service plan is created. Okay, it is created. Now let's create a web application ASP.NET Core 3.1. Let's create it. Okay, our .NET Core 3.1 web application is created. Now let's run it so we can see. Okay, our application is running in localhost. So now let's publish. To publish, let's select a project and click on publish. Here we need to select app service, and then we need to select existing, as we have just created our app service from Azure account. Here in advance it will show us the settings, publish settings like configuration and target framework, all that. So let's save it. Now let's create a profile. So after click on profile, it will show us to select Azure account. So let's add Azure account credentials here. Let me add my credential. Okay, so once we logged in into our account, you can see that it allows us to select subscription, then view by resource group, and we can see that our app service is visible in demo resource group. So just select it and click on OK, and then click on publish. So it will generate all the published file and automatically publish it into the our app service in Microsoft Azure. So you can see it is successfully published into the Azure website. So, and also it gives us URL to view our application that we have just published. Now, so this is the way we can directly publish it from Microsoft Visual Studio 2019. Now let's see how to access FTP. To access FTP, we need to open this our app service, and here from a deployment center, you can see at the bottom FTP. Then click on dashboard. This will give us FTP endpoint, username and password. So let's try to open it using FileZilla. You can also access it using the FileZilla FTP, and you can upload it using the FTP. So thank you for the watching.